Oh, let's make this big. Let's just do this for the intro. Today we're going to be reviewing Goldfish. Yeah, right through it. What kind of name is it? Ojet Wazowski. Is that Mike Wazowski's cousin or something? I don't know. Weird world we live in. Yeah, what was I going to say? Oh yeah, fun fact. Goldfish is actually my favorite snack. Love it so much. That's what I have for breakfast most days. I know, that's crazy. I'm crazy. Also, we're going to be reviewing Caprisun. That's one of my favorite drinks. I have several a day, so yeah. Looks like they're doing a limited time Mario thing. They've done it for like 2 months, yeah. Okay, so Jack's being an idiot out there. I'll be back. Idiot, I know. Kept banging on my walls, and right whenever I opened my door, he ran away because he's just a coward. Okay, let's do Roblox. Oh, Aiden changed his name again. Wow. Yeah, there's your shout out, Aiden. He's playing a good game. How about we do push people off a chain? I love doing that. Okay, hold on. YouTube, please not demonetize this. Oh. Oh. Dang it. Lol. Hey! No, sir! I don't think I did good. Leave your answer for this down in the comments. What should I make more of on YouTube? Random stuff? Roblox? Reviews? Leave your answers down below. Or any other stuff you want me to do. Gosh dang it. I think I failed. Yeah, this game is glitched. You don't have to wait. World Cup. No, did you think I wouldn't see you? Idiot. So dumb. What does this generation become? Okay, so I hear Jack coming up the stairs. I don't like Jack. You're in the video.
Hello there, children.
Come to Mike. Oh, he left. I should apply for him and have a Guinness World Record. Probably the dumbest and annoyingest person ever. I think that'd work. Huh? Oh, we're not respawn anymore. Kind of bored of this game, so I'm like, bye.